Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to embroider a beautiful floral heart. Outline the design with backstitch. Backstitch is the most easiest and famous outline stitch. Now I'll show you how to embroider leaf with satin stitch. I'm using 6 strands of embroidery floss here. Satin stitch is a great choice to embroider small leaves as it is an amazing fill stitch. Now I'm making a straight stitch right at the center of the leaf. This process makes the leaf look more interesting, as you can see. Now I'll show you how to embroider a woven rose with 6 strands of embroidery floss double. Draw 5 straight spokes as shown. Make 5 straight stitches. Bring needle up right next to the center, skip the first spoke, take needle under the second spoke, skip the third spoke, take needle under the fourth spoke, skip the fifth spoke, take needle under the first spoke. Now follow the same process of skipping alternate spokes and continue to weave the woven rose. So doubling your embroidery floss is an amazing trick to create perfect dimensional rows. Next I'm making French knots to complete the floral elements. Now I'll show you how to outline the letters with split back stitch. Split back stitch is another outline stitch. Please note that split stitch and split back stitch are two different stitches, they're not the same. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for more such cool content. I hope you guys like this video. The design is complete. This is how my floral heart embroidery design looks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.